I'm going to show you guys how to create this cute, simple Valentine's Day look. We're going to do the brows first because that is a must. I'm using Benefits for that. Then going to my Give Beauty. This is their cream paints for their eyeshadows. And this just blends very nice. I love this. I'm up actually like in love with this. This is so good. Then getting my Stone palette and getting Hollow Ghost. And I'm using a brush just because I don't want to like make it too shimmery. Like I wanted to kind of blend that shimmer. And you're going to see how that looks so pretty when you start building it up. It just looks so freaking good. I love it. Look at that shift of that blue. It's just so pretty. Then I'm going with the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Matte Liner. And we're going to take our time with this, you guys. We're going to make it tiny because you know how it goes with eyeliner. You slowly do it small and then it slowly gets big somewhere. So I don't want to do that. So I'm taking my time here. Love a good wing liner. It's so freaking good and satisfying to me. So after that, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to be using the ColourPop liquid liner in pink, and I'm going to add that to the inner corner just to add that pop of color. And it's so freaking cute and really easy to use. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Legit lashes, and this is just going to just make the eyes pop even more. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics lip liner, which is really affordable. These ones are the $2 ones that you can get in e.l.f. Website, and it's so pretty. I love the fact that it's like almost my lip shade, which I love. Then I'm going in with the About Face Cherry Pick lip balms, which I love these so much. I'm going to just tap a little bit of that hot pink because I just want it to be like a pop of pink. I don't want it to be like a really hot pink lippy. And I'm blending that out with my finger. And this is the final look, you guys. Super easy to recreate, so make sure you guys save this for Valentine's Day. You guys are going to love this. This is a close-up of the look because it just looks so freaking good. What do you guys think? What do you guys try this look?